Hello everyone. Last day in our class we were discussing about different types of agricultural land, and today the different crops which has grown in India. Firstly, rice, the main staple food of majority of population in India. Though it is considerable to be a crop of tropical humid climate, that means rice is a crop of tropical humid climate. It has about 3000 varieties which are grown in different agroclimatic conditions. These are successfully grown from the sea level to about 2000 meter altitude and from humid areas eastern India to dry but irrigated areas of Punjab, and also Punjab, Haryana and eastern UP, northern Rajasthan, etc. In southern states and West Bengal, the climate conditions are favorable for rice cultivation. In West Bengal, farmers grow the three types of rice. They are Aush, Amon and Boro. But in Himalayas and northeastern part of the country, it is grown as a kharif crop during the southwest monsoon season. So the main climatic conditions which are required for rice cultivation is temperature is about 27 degrees centigrade and rainfall more than 100 cm or centimeter, and alluvial soil is best for rice cultivation, and there are different types of chemical fertilizer which are required for rice. India contributes 21.6% of rice production in the world and ranked second after China. That means China ranked first position in the world and India ranked second position of rice production in the world. About 1/4 of the total cropped area in the country is under the rice cultivation. West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab are the leading rice producing states in the country. And the other states are like Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, etc. So these are all about rice, and next crop is that is wheat. Wheat is the second most important food crop in India after rice. India produces about 12.3% of total wheat production in the world. It is primarily a crop of temperate zone. Hence, cultivation in India is done during the winter season. That means it is a Rabi crop. About 80% of the total area under this crop is concentrated in the northern part of India. For example, the states like Punjab, Haryana and some parts of Uttar Pradesh, etc. Now, the physical condition which are required for wheat cultivation. So, firstly, I said that it is a Rabi crop. That means it grows in. It requires different type of climatic condition, and firstly I said that it is a Rabi crop. That means it grown in winter season. So the temperature is below 25 degrees centigrade and rainfall 75 to 100 centimeter is required for or favorable for wheat cultivation. And next is the soil. Soil is like alluvial soil or loamy clay soil are favorable for wheat cultivation. And next thing, irrigation must be provided in a wheat cultivation, and it is also required. About 14% of the total crop area in the country under wheat cultivation. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan are the leading wheat producing states. The states like Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, and Jammu Kashmir growing wheat under the rain-fed conditions have low wheat. So these are about rice and wheat cultivation in India. And in my next video, I will discussing about jowar, bajra, and maize and other food crops, etc. Yeah. So